See that mirror? I'm taking that out. So easy, actually. In, you know it. You're looking at it. You're driving it. But I'll remind you anyway. To Kona. So, very easy. Come listen to my podcast. Revealing 3 10 mils. There it is. 1, 2, 3. And what's nice is you don't have to remove the door for the wiring. So let me make sure this is the right way of doing it. Let's take them off. Now, with them taken out, do not lose them. So what I did, I put my finger as it comes out like this. And you grab it as you drill it out. See that? So it won't fall off. Get it? Good. Now, we squeeze this. And that takes the whole thing out. Now, it is still plugged in. Now, I don't want to, let's see. Ugh. There you go. Part number. Let's see. Will I get it? Maybe. So, that's all it was. Good thing thing's plugged in. Or went to its 7-year bad luck grave. So, there you go. That's what locks it into place. You gotta squeeze this. So, put them back. You were never here. And like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.